in the problem number 1, now we are entering to do with what? LIFO. Okay, now we are doing LIFO. The same itself, the number 1, we have opening stock of how many units? 400 units at a rate of rupees, okay, 8 per unit. It is 400 into 8, it is 3200. Okay, on the same day we have purchases. Okay, we have purchases of how many units? It is 800 units. What is the cost per unit? It is 7.8. Okay, therefore 800 into 7.8, it will be, it is 6240. Okay, there is no issues on the day. Now again I am recording 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. Okay, again I'm recording 3200. Okay, now see 800 okay, next again I'm entering, okay, which I had purchased 800 units at a rate of rupees 7.8. okay, now it will fetch you 6240. okay, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಡಬಲ್ ಸರಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? okay, first time entry ಆಗಿದೆ already. okay, so it depends upon you. okay, ನನ್ನ ಪರ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಡಬಲ್ ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. okay, why? because in the issuing concept ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I had recorded twice. okay, or else ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. okay, next one, simple average weighted average will be solved in the next classes. okay, next we had come across with the receive. again we had received 800 units at a rate of rupees 7.8. again it is, oh, it already did. okay, next one, November. okay, November 8th we have issued, okay, we had issued 480 units. okay, November 8th we have a issues. okay, November 8th we have a issues. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ issues? 480 units. ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಇವಾಗ? LIFO. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, we are doing LIFO. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. therefore ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? 800 units. 800 units ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ? 480 units. yes, 480 into 7.8, it is 3744. therefore again I will to record 400 units at a rate of rupees 8, it is 3200. next, okay, we have 800 minus 480, it is 320 units. okay, at a rate of rupees 7.8. okay, 320 units, it is 320 into 7.8, it is 2496. is it clear? Number 8, is it clear? now we are doing this one, LIFO. now we are doing LIFO, last in first out. okay, is it clear? okay, 400 units at a rate of rupees 8, it is 3200. now again we have issues on that day. it is 480 issue, yes, from 800 we had issued 480 units at a rate of rupees 7.8, it is 320. 480 minus, okay, 480 minus 800, you will get to know 320. 320 into 7.5, you will get to know 2496. okay, now let's enter for November 10th. November 10th, it is we have issued to production department, it is 320 units. okay, now you again ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ 320 units ನ issue ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ November 10th. there is no issues on that day. okay, see, so there is no purchases on that day. okay, see, we had issued 320 units. yes, automatically this is last in first out. therefore my last in is 320 units. thus 320 units I am recording here. okay, automatically ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. okay, it is 2496. okay, next, what is the remaining? The remaining is 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. It is 3,200. Okay, next one. Okay, next. Is it clear? 320 clear aita? Is it November 10th is clear? Okay, November 12th. November 12th, we have received 1000 units. Okay, November 12th, we have received 1000 units. What is the rate per unit? Rate per unit is 7.7. Okay, we have received, see, 1000 units at a rate of rupees 7.7. Therefore, it is 7,700. There is no issues on that day. Now, I used to record 400 units. Okay, at a rate of rupees 8, it is 3,200. Okay, now again I had purchased with how many units? 1000 units. Okay, at a rate of rupees 7.7. Okay, it is 7,700. Is it clear? Is it clear? November 12th. Okay, next. Okay, November 15th, we have to issue 800 units. November 15th, we have to issue 800 AC. Okay, therefore, November 15th, there is no purchases on that day. Okay, we need to issue how many units? It is 800 units. Can I able to issue from 1000? Yes, I can. Okay, it is 800 units at a rate of rupees 7.7. Okay, it is 800 into 7.7. It is 6,160. Therefore, what is the remaining? The remaining is, first and foremost, I used to record the old stock. It is 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. It is 3,200. Next, the remaining is 1000 minus 800. It is nothing but 200. Okay, 200 into 7.7. It is 1,540. Is it clear? Is it clear? Till now, is it clear? Okay, November 16th. November 16th, we have received 500 units at a rate of rupees 7.5 per unit. Okay, number 16th, we have received how many units? It is 500 units. What is the rate per unit? It is 7.5. Therefore, it is 3,750. There is no issues on that day. Now, again, I need to record 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. It is 3,200. Okay. Now, again, I need to record how many units? 200 units at a rate of rupees. Okay. 7.7. Okay. Next, it will fluctuate 1,540. Now, again, I need to record. Okay, what is how much I purchased? 500 units. Okay, at a rate of rupees 7.5. It is 3,750. Is it clear? November 16th. Is it clear? Okay, November 19th. November 19th, we have received 1,200 units at a rate of rupees 7 per unit. Okay, andre now 1,200 units receive agide. So it is 1,200 into, so what is the cost per it is 7 rupees. Okay, therefore 1,200 into 7 is equal to 8,400. There is no issues on that day. Okay, now again I need to record 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. It is 3,200. Okay, now again I need to record the 200 units at a rate of 7.7. 7.7. It is 1,540. Next, again we need to enter 500 units at a rate of rupees 7.5. It will fetch you as 3,750. Next, now again I had purchased with, okay, how many units I had purchased? It is 1,200. had purchased 1200. What is the cost per it is? The cost is 7 rupees. Okay, therefore the amount will be 8,400. Is it clear? Is it clear? Clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Okay, again November 21. Okay, so November 21. Okay, November 21, we have issued production department. It is 700 units. Okay, production department ಎಷ್ಟು issue ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ? 700 issues. Okay, last in first out ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ್ಯಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನಿದೆ 1200 ಇದೆ. Automatically I can issue. Okay, 700 units na ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. What is the cost per unit is 700 into 7. It is 1049. Okay, it is 4900. Okay. Next, what is the remaining? First again I need to write it as 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. It is 3,200. Again I had come across with 200 units at a rate of rupees 7.7. Okay, next it fetch you is 1,540. Next again we have 500 units. Okay, at a rate of rupees 7.5. Okay, it will fetch you 3,750. Okay, again we have, okay, see now 1,200 minus 700. Okay, 1,200 minus 700 is this 500 units at a rate of rupees 7. Okay, it is 3,500. Okay, is it clear? Till here, is it clear? Okay, next November 21st ಆಯ್ತು. November 24th. Okay, November 24th we have issued to production department. It is 520 units. November 24th we have issued. There is no purchases on that day. Okay, now ಎಷ್ಟು units na issue ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? They said how many units? It is 520 units. Okay, 500 ಎಷ್ಟು units ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು? November 24th 520 units. Therefore first and foremost, okay, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 500 ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ issue ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. See, I have the last is 500 units. Okay, at a rate of rupees 7, it is 3,500. Therefore 500 minus 520, the remaining is 20 units. The 20 units can be bought from the above. It is 7.5. 20 into 7.5, it is 150 rupees. Therefore the remaining will be 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. It is 3,200. Okay, next we have come across with again with 200 units. Okay, at a rate of rupees 7.7. Okay, it is fetch you 1,540. Okay, next again we have 500 alla 480 units. Henge 480 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 500 minus 20. Okay, it is 480. 480 into what is the one? Okay, it is fetch you is 7.5. 480 into 7.5, it is 3,600. Is 3,600. Okay, next November 27th. See, November 27th again we have issues of how many units? It is 680 units. Number 620 units. Okay, there is no issues on the day. See, in the November 24th, we need to issue 520 units. Okay, we are doing the LIFO method. Therefore, the last in, first out. The last year had 500 units, had issued 500 units, had cleared it. Okay, now again I need to issue 20 units. Therefore, I used to borrow from the next unit. Therefore, 20 units into 7.5, it is 150. The remaining is, see, the 400 units, the same had recorded here. Next, the 200 units, the same had recorded here. Next, then again we have 500 units minus 20 units. It is 480 units. It is had recorded here. Is it clear? Okay, next one. Okay, in the November 27, okay, we have issues. How many we have issues? Issues is 680 units. Okay, first one. Okay, can I first ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? Last in, first out. Last ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ first ಅದನ್ನ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. It is 480. 480 into 7.5, it is 3600. Right? Okay, next 480 minus 680, it is 200 units. Okay, 200 into, so what is the remaining is 7.7, it is 1540. 1540. Okay, therefore 480 plus 200, you'll get to know 680 units. Therefore, what is the remaining? The remaining is 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. It is 3200. Is it clear? November 27th. Okay, next we are moving forward to November 28th. Okay, we had received a refund or a return. Return will be how many units? It is 50 units. See, LIFO ಆದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, FIFO ಆದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 50 into 7.8, 50 into 7.8, it is 390. Okay, therefore I need to go record there is no issues on that day. Okay, again we have 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. It is 3200. Next we have received 50 units. We have received 50 units at a rate of rupees 7.8. 7.8, it is 390. Is it clear till here? Is it clear till here? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Okay. See, just a minute. Okay. So sorry. Okay, see in this one, November 27th. Okay, November 28th we have received 50 units, right? Okay, so which was issued on November 10th. November 10th ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? 7.8 ಗೆ. This rate now I should record. See, I had recorded here. Okay, ಅವತ್ತಿನ ರೇಟ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಆ ಏನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನೋ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, next one, shortage. Okay, shortage ಏನಿದೆ? Okay, see, they said that on 31st November the stock verification revealed that shortage of 20 units. Okay, so last ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? 20 units ಇದೆಯಂತೆ. So shortage ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? In order to safeguard myself, I'll show it as what? Issues. How many units? 20 units. It will be recorded as 7.8. 20 into 7.8, it is 156, and the remaining is 400 units at a rate of rupees 8. It is 3200. Okay, next under the 50 units. Okay, under 50 units, okay, we had already issued 20 units. The remaining is 30 units at a rate of rupees 7.8. Okay, therefore it is 234.